What's up guys, Travis here with Good Enough Builds. Today we're going to be working on the SX250 project, and particularly we're going to be taking those crappy plastics off because I just got a new shipment from SKDA and Polysport. So I got my new plastics and my new graphics. So what I'm going to be doing is taking the graphics and the plastics that I just got, putting them together, taking these off, and finally making this ugly girl look beautiful again. Here we go. Alright, 2017 KTM SX250 bike build continues. Let's get that and put it on there. So that's gonna wrap it up with the 2017 SX250 build progress for today. All I've got left to do is put these plastics and graphics on the bike, button up a few little things here and there, and then I'm gonna be releasing the full video time lapse of the 2017 SX250 Armageddon build. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button, and be sure to hit that like button. You guys have been here up until this point in the video, so you had to have liked it. See you in the next one.